Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to my channel. Recently, I've been craving rich, flavorful dishes, and so with that in mind, today I'm going to share with you a sweet and succulent home-style Chinese dish, red braised ribs and rice cakes. This dish pairs soft, tender braised ribs with the flavor sponges that are rice cakes, and as a result, is one of my favorite ways to cook back ribs. None of the flavor can escape the dish. But enough talking about the food, let's get to it. To start, we need to prepare some ginger slices, so take about a 2 cm cube piece of ginger and proceed to slice it thinly. Next, take a rack of fresh back ribs, place them rib side up on a cutting board, and proceed to slice the ribs by cutting through the gaps in the bones. We are now ready to start cooking the ribs, so to a pan over high heat, add a small amount of vegetable oil and let it come to temperature. Then, add in your ginger slices and stir fry them until they become fragrant. At this point, add your back ribs to the pan and begin to stir fry them. Continue stir frying the ribs until they are almost completely browned, then add 6 tablespoons of Chinese cooking wine to the pan and continue to fry. Then, when the alcohol in the wine is evaporated, add in 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce and stir fry until all the ribs are completely covered in the sauce. This will give your ribs a dark and shiny color that looks nice. Add to the ribs 3 tablespoons of light soy sauce, and as with the dark soy sauce, continue stir frying until everything is coated. At this point, transfer the ribs from your wok into a stone pot over medium heat. When all of the ribs are in the pot, pour in the remaining sauce from the wok, because we definitely don't want to lose that flavor. Finally, add about 60 grams of rock sugar to the stone pot, fill the pot near to the top with hot water, and throw in a couple of bay leaves. Then cover the pot, bring it to a boil, and then turn down and simmer for about 45 minutes. After 45 minutes of simmering, remove the lid from the pot, add in around 200 grams of fresh rice cake, and give a rough stir to mix them in. Recover the pot and simmer for another 45 minutes. After the second round of simmering, remove the lid from the pot, bring it to a boil, and reduce until you have a thick and sticky sauce left at the bottom. When the sauce in the pot has been reduced, we are finished cooking, so remove the stone pot from the stove top and begin transferring to a serving dish. First, place all of the sweet and sticky ribs in the bottom of the serving dish. Then, fill in the extra space with the soft and succulent rice cakes. Lastly, you want to ladle some of that sauce from the bottom of the stone pot over top of the ribs for some extra flavor, and then garnish with some diced green onions. And with that, our red braised ribs and rice cakes is finished and ready to eat. And this dish is a match made in heaven. Through the braising process, the rice cakes absorb all of the flavor from the ribs, and with their soft, chewy texture, become an easy contender for best in the dish. The ribs, on the other hand, are sweet, sticky, and full of flavor. It's a truly satisfying flavor experience. Anyway, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope you really enjoyed it. Please thumbs up this video if you liked it, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. I hope to see you next time. Bye!